Hello and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, my cooking channel where I share a recipe with you every Sunday morning at 8 a.m. Malaysian time. Today's recipe is from Goa on the Konkan Coast in West India. As fish is an integral part of Goan cuisine, the recipe that I've chosen for you today is Goan Style Fish Curry. In Goan cuisine, the souring agent which is usually used is the malabar tamarind. This malabar tamarind, by the way, is available in Indian shops in Malaysia. However, if you do not have it at the moment and you're not able to get it, then you can use the normal tamarind by all means, the Assam Java. I have listed the ingredients for this curry in the description box below. So, shall we get cooking? I'm making Goan style fish curry with red snapper. Locally, this fish is called ikan merah. I have 350 grams of red snapper. Now, the first thing we'll do is to make the masala for the fish curry. I have one medium-sized onion chopped. Goes into the electric grinder. 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, less 10 seeds, not quite quarter teaspoon. That goes in. 10 peppercorns, 1 small tomato which I blanched, that goes in as well. Quarter cup of coconut, this is a 250 ml cup. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds that I soaked in hot water. I washed the seeds first before soaking. I have 4 pieces of malabar tamarind here. I am putting 1 piece to grind with the rest of the masala ingredients. Now we'll add some water and grind this into a fine paste. This is the masala paste for the fish curry that I ground just now. I wish you could smell this masala paste. It smells really awesome. I've got my mud pot here on a low-medium flame. I'm going to flavor this coconut oil with quarter teaspoon of ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. The ingredients for this curry are all set out in the description box below. I have a tip for your clay pot cooking. Don't leave an empty clay pot on the fire for too long. If you have washed it before putting it on the fire, as soon as the water evaporates, add your oil or whatever ingredient into the clay pot. This is to prevent the clay pot from cracking. The masala goes in next. Let's cook the masala until the raw smell disappears. I am increasing the flame to medium. From low medium to medium. We let the masala fry in the oil. This masala paste has been frying for about 5 minutes now. I lowered the flame from medium to a low medium. Please adjust your stove. If the fire is too hot, then reduce the flame accordingly. And if need be, keep stirring the paste so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the clay pot. Next, pour 300 ml of water. Add the malabar tamarind. I'm going to increase the flame just above medium. We'll let this gravy cook for 2 minutes after it has come to a boil. This gravy has been boiling away merrily for 2 minutes after coming to a boil. I'm going to add salt to taste now. Salt to taste. The next ingredient to go in is the fish. Now the reason I boiled the gravy after adding the Malabar tamarind is to allow the flavor of the Malabar tamarind to seep into the gravy. The fish goes in now. 350 grams of red snapper. I had earlier washed the fish pieces with salt. We'll now let the fish cook, and from now onwards we have to be careful not to stir the fish, because if we stir the pot too much, the fish will break up. We'll cook this until the fish is done. The fish has been cooking for 6 minutes. I'm going to turn off the fire. Check for salt. There's enough salt. Just twirl the clay pot. Although the fire has been turned off, as you can see, the retained heat in the clay pot is continuing to cook the fish. I'll add the green chillies and 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. If you don't have coriander leaves, you can add curry leaves instead. Goan Style Fish Curry. A tip is to cook this curry a few hours before you intend to serve it, because the flavors develop as the fish curry sits in the clay pot. You can check the tanginess of the gravy as it sits, and if you find that the gravy is getting more tangy than you prefer, you can always remove 1 or more of the Malabar tamarind until the curry suits your taste. Now let me indulge myself in the deliciousness of this curry. Some gravy. Look how thick the gravy is. Just the right amount of heat, salt and tanginess. Superb. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon over here. Until I see you again next Sunday with another recipe, stay safe